Now let me give you a detailed introduction to CNC machining of plastic parts. We are a CNC source manufacturer, focusing on CNC processing of various metal and plastic parts such as plastic parts. Our technical team has rich experience and exquisite skills, can provide customers with high-quality and efficient processing services. We use advanced CNC machining equipment, such as imported machining centers, CNC lathes, etc., ensure that every product meets high precision requirements. In addition, we also have a professional quality control team, strictly control the quality of each link, ensure customer satisfaction. Our plastic parts processing range is extensive, including various fields such as household appliances, automotive electronics, etc., meeting the diverse needs of customers. We are committed to providing customers with one-stop processing services, including plant formulation, part machining, surface treatment, etc., make you worry-free and effortless. In short, we look forward to working with you to create a better future together.